What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on XCN. So if you are interested what I am currently thinking about this coin, what is the exact trade that I am currently watching here, and what is the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 12-hour chart. Here we are still under this important bearish order block, which is between level 0.02102 and 0.01989. And to open here a long position, I am still waiting here for a breakout and then support confirmation of this area. If I'm gonna switch on a daily time frame, which was the main time frame that I showed you in my previous analysis, you can see we are having here the same bearish order block. So in the long-term perspective, this is really important resistance. If there will be a breakout with a support confirmation, then you can open here a long position that can look exactly like this. So stop loss in this case you can place under this bearish order block, because if after support confirmation there will be a breakdown with a resistance confirmation, the price is most likely gonna go down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. Last take profit targets you can then place, for example, under this previous important highs. So let's say level approximately 0.03532, which will give you a potential profit around 67% of a net market. If you want, you can definitely place the last take profit target on like a higher levels, but I think that the risk reward ratio, potential risk reward ratio around 8 is, in my opinion, a great area where to place it. Potential risk reward ratio will be, but of course, a little bit lower, because in a trade like this you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take, for example, under this previous important highs, this previous important high, for example, around this area of higher liquidity, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 7.9, the risk reward ratio is gonna be around like 5.8, something like that, which is, in my opinion, still really great setup. And if you, for example, don't want to watch these charts on your own and you want to follow my analysis, then don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. Of course, this is not the only potential setup that you can take here, because if there will be that breakout but without a support confirmation, and there will be a resistance confirmation in this bearish order block area, we can use it to open here a short trade. Stop loss, in this case, you need to place above the high that we will create during the fake out. Last take profit targets you can place somewhere to this bullish order block, which will give you a short trade with potential risk reward ratio up to 3.7, something like that. It can be a little bit higher if we will speculate here for that liquidity grab. Again, in a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you definitely want to take, let's say, above this previous important lows, this previous important highs, above this bullish order block, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 3.7, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 3.2, something like that, which is another really great potential setup. But in the long-term perspective, I am definitely a bullish on this coin, and for me this was most likely a dump of this previous correction. So the only potential trade that I am planning to take is probably a long position. But if there will be that fake out and we are gonna retest this bullish order block, we can use this area as a potential long entry. This bullish order block is, by the way, between level 0.01570 and 0.01350, and here you are having two ways how to trade it. First is to set a limit order just above this bullish order block area, and stop loss you need to place just under, because if there will be a breakdown, we are risking resistance confirmation, which means price is probably gonna go down. And the second, in my opinion, more safe way is to wait here for that liquidity grab under this previous important low, and then support confirmation in this bullish order block area. In this second trading scenario, you want to place stop loss under that low that we will create during the fake out. Last take profit targets, in this case, you can, for example, place either under this previous high, which will give you potential potential profit around like 92% of a net market, or if you want, you can place it like under this previous important highs as with the previous long scenario, potential profit around 140% of a net market. Both of these trading setups will be really great. And as always, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So in a trade like this, some of the profits you definitely want to take under this bearish order block, so you can take like 2 take profit targets under this bearish order block, and then rest of the take profit targets can remain exactly the same as in the previous long scenario. Let's now switch to a lower time frame. Here we are having similar resistance area of, let's say, with these bearish order blocks, but we are also having here this new bullish order block, which is between level 0.01708 and 0.01593. And here, if we are going to retest this area, we will take important liquidity under all of these previous important lows, but you can see we already tested this bullish order block with this previous candle. So to open here a long position, I actually want to see a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows and then a support confirmation in this area. So the price needs to do, for example, something like this. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place again under the low that we will create during the fake out. So I assume the stop loss will be around 7% of a net market. Last take profit target you can place at least above these bearish order blocks, because once we will let's say retest them, there is pretty high probability we are gonna take liquidity above. And if you want, you can place the last take profit targets above this previous important high, which will give you a potential profit around 70% of a net market, potential risk reward ratio up to 9.72. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, you will get risk reward ratio up to 7.5, something like that, which is another really great potential setup. And again, most of the profits you want to take under these bearish order block areas. This is first important resistance, then some of the profits around these previous important highs, then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So yeah, this is another really great potential setup that you can take here. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin. For me, in the long-term perspective, this coin will probably go up. We are probably gonna break this current high, and like, I don't know, what is the price that you are expecting this coin is gonna hit in this bull market? We can see in the past we did absolutely amazing moves, and in my opinion, once we will break like this important resistance, we will see another huge pump. So I think something like $0.1 mark in this bull market is definitely possible, which will be from a current level potential pump around like 430% of a net market, something like that. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.